taken a hard look at the popular products available today. This product is one of the best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
SNOJO takes the world by storm with the world's first eco-friendly fully hybrid snowblower, the iON18SB-HYB, the revolutionary rechargeable that combines the convenience of a battery pack with the performance of a plug for limitless snow shredding power. Declare your independence from the grid and gain the freedom of choice to go offline. SNOJO's exclusive hybrid technology allows you to switch from electric power when you need it to unplugged when you don't, to blast past the limits of the extension cord and go where no electric has gone before. iON starts quickly with the press of a button. Simply select outside for electric or inside for battery mode. Grasp the lever and go. iON includes a 40-volt battery to deliver up to 50 minutes of whisper quiet runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. Equipped with powerful 13.5 amp hybrid motor and a heavy-duty two-blade rubber auger, iON plows through up to 500 pounds of snow per minute, clearing a path 18 inches wide by 8 inches deep. iON features a 180-degree adjustable chute to direct the snow stream up to 20 feet away, an onboard 3-watt LED headlight for added nighttime visibility, and an integrated scraper bar to clear the ground without damaging your deck or pavement. When winter strikes, ditch the gas and go with Joe. The iON18SB-HYB Hybrid, the revolutionary new rechargeable and electric snowblower from SNOJO. Get equipped.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.